In this video, we're going to send a large file over TCP using Python, chunk by chunk, and we'll even display the progress in megabytes on the server side. Here's our file. It's named send.large.txt and it's exactly 40 megabytes in size. We'll be sending this from the client to the server. Now let's look at the server code. We create a socket using socket.socket, then bind it to localhost on port 9999. The server starts listening for incoming connections using listen, and once a connection is accepted with accept, it opens a file called received.txt in binary write mode. Inside a loop, it receives data in chunks of 124 bytes using receive.124 and writes each chunk to the file. We also keep a running total of how many bytes have been received so far. Each time this total reaches or exceeds 1 megabyte, we print a message showing how much data has been received so far. For example, 1 megabyte received. Then we pause for 0.3 seconds using time.sleep 0.3 to simulate a step-by-step file transfer. Once the data transfer is complete and no more data is received, we close the connection. Let's move on to the client code. The client connects to the same host and port, opens the file sendlarge.txt in binary mode, and starts sending the data chunk by chunk. Once everything is sent, it sends an extra end signal and then closes the connection. Now let's run the program step by step. First, we start the server. It starts listening and waits for a connection. Then we run the client. And now on the server side, you can see it printing 1 megabyte received, 2 megabyte received, all the way up to 40 megabytes. After the transfer completes, we see that received.txt has been created successfully on the server side. And that's it. You've now seen how to send a large file over a socket in Python and monitor the progress in real time. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.